Calisto 5 and Calisto 9 parts replacement. Replacing the external fan. In this video, we will show you how to replace the external fan on a Calisto 5 or Calisto 9.
The fan should be replaced when instructed to do so by Morgan Schaefer, technical support, due to the failure of one of the unit's two fans. Fan failure is generally due to the lack of maintenance.
To replace the external fan, the only tool you need is a flat screwdriver. Power off the Calisto using its main switch. Use the flat screwdriver to loosen the 4 captive screws of the defective external fan. Remove the fan assembly slowly until you are able to access both fan connectors. Unplug both connectors. You can now replace the defective fan assembly. Connect both fan connectors to the Calisto. Because the assembly is symmetrical, it does not matter on which side you install it. Insert the fan assembly by making sure both connectors are in place on both sides of the assembly. Tighten the 4 captive screws well. This concludes the instructions for replacing the fan assembly on a Calisto 5, Calisto 9.
Please remember to follow these instructions carefully and contact us if you have any questions. Calisto can be virtually maintenance-free when properly installed. If you have any questions about this procedure, please feel free to ask for our help. Morgan Schaefer offers worldwide service and technical support. We are here to help you.
For detailed information, please refer to the Calisto 5 and Calisto 9 installation and operation manual, or contact Morgan Schaefer's Technical Support Department. This video was produced by Morgan Schaefer, a Doble engineering company, subsidiary of ESCO Technologies.